I'm going to show you how students will be able to access your grid topic and upload a video. You're going to begin by having students go to FlipGrid.com and then entering their personalized flip code here that you will provide them with. I recommend logging in with Google because it gives easier access to the camera, which they will need to record their video. They will see this screen. They are going to enter their pusdschools.net personal email account, which is the account that is tied into their class link. So that way they don't have to memorize a different email address. And then they'll be ready to go in. And this is what it will look like when they see it. So they'll have the title of the topic, and then there's the question that they have to respond in the video. Once they are ready to answer and record themselves, they're going to click on the green plus sign and they will see a screen. Now here, most of the time they will have to flip it, the image. So they click that and you can see I'm right here. I'm just a little camera shy. But once the student is ready to record, they are going to click on the red button. If at any time they want to go back and look at the topic, they click on the topic card and it gives them the question again for them to refer back to. Once the student is ready to record, they click on the red button. It gives a quick countdown. And then it also shows a countdown of how much time they have left, which is very useful. Once they have finished recording themselves, they will hit the pause button. And then they can click next. And if for any reason they need to pause and then start over, they can click on the record button again and it'll just continue where they left off. So that's very useful. For example, there's an interruption in the class and they need to pause it so that they won't hear any background noise, they can do that. So once they're done, they're going to hit next and it will play back what they've recorded. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next really quickly so that you don't hear all of that noise. The next step is to take a selfie of themselves. So they can take the selfie however they want. There's the selfie. It has a few options for them if they wanted to add any text. And when they are done, actually, let me mention also the little stickers. So I did mention that students can add stickers in the previous video. So if they wanted to add a sticker, it can go there. They can move it wherever they want, get bigger or smaller. And it's up to you as the creator of the grid to decide if you want to make this available for students, or if not, you can do that under the settings. When the student is done with their video, they're going to press the submit button and they'll get this congratulations, letting them know that they're done. And it will appear here once the teacher has looked at it. Since I did make this a moderated video, the creator of the grid must view the video before it is published. If you don't do the moderation, the videos will automatically appear here. And that is how you create, or a student creates a video on FlipGrid.